Hey, what's up guys, this is Success Tech Tips, and in this video I will be testing the video quality of the Redmi K20. So to give you an overview of this video, I will be using the both front camera and the rear camera to shoot videos. First on high lighting condition, then on average lighting condition, and at last on low lighting condition. So let's begin our video. So now I'm shooting this video using the front facing pop-up camera at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and as you can see I am currently in the paddy field and the sun's rays is directly hitting me, so that's why I chose this position for shooting this video. So now I'm shooting this video using the 12 megapixel primary camera at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video stabilization is also enabled in this phone. I think the video stabilization is quite good in this phone. Now you are seeing the video captured using the telephoto camera in the Redmi K20. And as you can see, the video quality has somewhat decreased. Yeah, it's pretty normal when you are capturing this type of videos with the telephoto camera. The video that you are seeing now is captured using the ultra wide angle camera. The ultra wide angle camera is useful when you want to shoot videos of the landscapes. So yeah, now I am in my home and this area has an average lighting condition. So this is the video quality that you can expect from the Redmi K20 if you are shooting videos using the front facing camera on an averagely lit condition. So guys, now I am shooting using the 12 megapixel primary camera, and you can see that when the sunlight increases, the quality of the video will also increase. And switching to the ultra wide angle camera, you can see that the field of view has just increased. Coming to the telephoto or 2x zoom camera, I'll have to admit that the stabilization is absolutely awesome. You can see that there is no quick shaking when I move the camera, even if it is zoomed. So guys, now it's late evening and you can see that the video quality has dramatically decreased. It looks like I'm capturing the video on 480p, and another thing that you'll notice is that the background has turned into dark color. So next, let's check the video quality of the rear camera in low light condition. So guys, now it's dark here, you cannot see anything except the light coming from that house. You cannot enable flashlight after you have started recording the video. So this is the video quality of the Redmi K20 if you are shooting it in low light condition. And yeah, that's pretty much it.